welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome! My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. Today I'm sharing yet another nail polish haul, and this happens to be a less toxic nail polish haul because if you've been here on my channel before, you might already know this is part of my Journey to Less Toxic Nail Polish series, and I'm really excited to bring another one of these to you. It feels like I just did one of these, but it really was last month, and I really enjoyed sharing that video with you, so I'm excited to bring you another one. This one is a little bit smaller than the first part of this series, at least the first haul in this series. And I do have quite a few pretty polishes to show you, but still it will be a little bit shorter. So much like my last haul video, I am going to highlight some of the, I guess, perks of each brand. So something that I like about them, or a fact about their formula, or their mission, or whatever the brand happens to be. If you are new to my channel and you haven't already visited my Less Toxic page, and the link is in my description box by the way, definitely go check it out because I do list quite a few scientific resources for you to do your own research on nail polish ingredients, which is basically what my Less Toxic journey is all about. I've been decluttering a ton of polishes from my collection, and in doing so I do need to replace quite a few, and I just wanted to get some newer things since quite a few of the polishes in my current collection are a bit old. So these are some newer ones that I really wanted to share with you, so don't forget to subscribe for 2 new videos every week, and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So I did show these very briefly, at least a couple of them, in my recent Shop With Me video. That was a really fun little vlog. You can go check that out up in the cards. And I didn't want to spend too much time on those few polishes since I would be showing them here. So here they are again. This one is called Tangerine Heat and it's by Glaze. This is from their Cali Dreams collection, so I just had to get a couple from them. But the highlights of this brand are that they are 7-free, they have, or at least strive to create more of a simplified formula, and they are vegan, so I'm really happy with the newer Glaze polishes. I mentioned this in my recent video that a lot of their older formulas were just littered with not so great ingredients, so I'm really happy that they've made strides to make their formula better, and this beautiful tangerine color is so perfect for summer. The next polish I have to show you is also from the Cali Dreams collection. This one is called Surfside Skies. It is a really beautiful, light kind of periwinkle blue, very pale and pastel. And this one actually reminds me a lot of Hydrangea Danger. I put them side by side just to compare the other day, and they are quite similar, but I actually do happen to like this one better. It's a little bit, just a tiny, tiny bit brighter. So I really like this one. I actually used this for a recent mani swap over on my Instagram, so you can go check that out at 360 Nails. The link is always in my description box. This one has a pretty decent formula, both of these did, even though they're lighter colors, but they applied really nicely, and I can't wait to use these in summer nail art. They are just so gorgeous. Next we have one from the Glaze Jollywood collection, which was one that they just released back in 2020, and this one is called Screen Vixen. I just found this one randomly in some Sally Beauty clearance bins, and this one, actually I didn't know this when I bought it, but like I said in my Shop With Me vlog, I looked at the description afterward and it actually dries matte, so I'm looking forward to swatching this one. I haven't swatched it yet. Oh, by the way, if you were wondering, if you are new to my channel and you haven't seen one of my haul videos before, I don't do swatches for my haul videos because I'm just basically showing you what I've picked up recently, so you'll probably see a swatch of this one over on my Instagram very soon, but I'm excited to give this one a try. I actually don't really have a gold metallic in my collection right now, so this one's super unique and I like it. Next up are 2 polishes that you've probably seen quite a bit if you've been on my channel recently. This one is called Hotter Than Hot. It is from the Nails Inc color change line, and I actually recently reviewed these here on my channel, and you probably saw me talk about them a little bit in my recent Shop With Me video if you saw that one, so I will link the review up in the cards. You can go check that out if you're interested, and it's really fun to see these in action, and they were really fun to test with the color change effect, so go check that out. And this one is a really cute pink polish that changes to a bright white. And the formula was a little bit chalky, as I mentioned in that video, but I still think it's really interesting. I don't have any other cream color change polishes. All my other ones are glitter, so this one's really nice. And the second one I have is called A Hot Minute. This one is a really nice kind of medium grape purple, and it changes to more of a periwinkle purple. So again, a really fun color shift, and these look so cool when they have that kind of ombre effect on your nails. I've never actually worn a color change polish at length. I've only worn them for review videos and to test them with the hot and cold water and things like that, but I would definitely like to do a full manicure of some color change polish very soon, so let me know in the comments if you've ever done that and what your favorite brands are. And I would actually like to give the new Nails Inc, I think they're called Plant Power polishes, a try, so let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in seeing a review of those, because I definitely might do that in the future. And the final two polishes I have to show you are from the Essie Expressi line. These are 8 free and vegan. This one is called Air Dry. It's a really nice kind of gray toned light denim color. It's almost like a slate blue. I don't even know if that's a color, but this one is really pretty, really unique, very neutral and understated. So it's not like any other blue I have in my collection, especially since I had to declutter quite a few of those recently. So if you haven't seen that video already, then definitely click the card to go watch that. I do have quite a few decluttering videos on my channel now, so this one will be a really nice one for nail art. Like I said, don't have anything else like this, so it'll be a fun sort of statement shade, and it'll be nice for winter, but all seasons too. And then we have Cold Brew Crew. I love the name of this one. I think it's so cute. This is a really nice warm coffee chocolate brown kind of color. I actually recently wore this one as my first full manicure of 2021, I think. I never seem to do my nails anymore just because I'm always going back and forth with taking pictures and swatches and videos and things, so I was finally able to actually wear a polish for a while, and I did like this one because I know that brown nails have been trendy lately and neutral nails, but I wasn't a super big fan of this as a long-term manicure just because I really like brighter colors. But let me know in the comments what team you are, team neutral nails or team colorful nails. Comment below. So that is the last polish for today. So that is it for today's haul video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing some fun, less toxic polishes. I really enjoyed showing these to you guys, and I've been doing a lot of swatches and nail art with them, and obviously you might have already seen a bunch of them on my channel before. So let me know in the comments which of these was your favorite, or if you've picked up anything recently, any new polishes, or what's on your wish list. I really like chatting about polish favorites with you guys, so definitely let me know. And I will definitely be doing some more videos like this soon. I haven't gotten any polishes in a while, but hopefully I'll be able to do one of these every month or every 2 months or so, just depending on what I have. I know, like I said, this one is a little bit smaller, but I'm still in the process of decluttering, so we'll see what I actually end up replacing. I realized, funny, usually most nail artists say they have way too many bright red polishes in their collection. At the moment, I don't have a perfect classic bright red, so I will need to get one of those very soon. So I'd like to do kind of a more in-depth video with my shopping process, so I'll probably put that together sometime in the summer. So I'm looking forward to sharing that content with you. But if you're looking for even more content, then definitely check out my blog over on 360nails.com. I've started regularly posting posts on there again recently, and I post a new post every Sunday, and lately they've been nail art themed or something like my MVP series, which is where I show my most valuable polishes for the month or season or something. So it's been really fun getting to put together new content over there. So make sure you subscribe to the Very Important Polished Person email club to make sure you'd never miss a new blog post, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So I think that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back very soon, actually very, very soon, with a swatch with me, so stay tuned. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. I hope you're doing well. Bye!